Rosie, do you hear that?
Yes, I think that's the tornado sirens.
Mom and Dad aren't here, what do we do?
We go in the basement.
Okay. What do we do?
We stay here till the tornado stops.
I don't care, I'm going upstairs.
No, you're not going upstairs till the tornado's over.
Why?
Because you might die.
Fine.
The sirens are stopping.
So does that mean the tornado's over?
No, it means it's starting.
Why?
Stop being a baby, it doesn't last that long.
Okay.
Oh no, it's starting. Just stop crying.
Rosie, I'm just gonna say I love you.
Thank you. I was just kidding.
Okay, geez.
Yay, it stopped. Honey, how do you think the kids are doing?
Don't worry, I have security cameras around the whole house.
Okay, let's check it. Yeah, they did the right thing.
Let's take them to Mike's Cafe.
Yeah. Mom and Dad are in the bathroom. Well, we did good.
I know, right?